Hello friends, and welcome back to Everyday Cooking with Mum and me. Today we are going to be making the simple recipe of scrambled egg. This recipe is so easy, yet so delicious. I love the fluffy texture of it. So what are we waiting for? Let's get started! So for our English styled scrambled egg, we will need 8 eggs, salt to taste, we're using 1 teaspoon, 1 teaspoon of mixed herbs, 1 teaspoon of grounded pepper, 25 grams of butter, 20 ml of milk. We are going to also use some accompaniments, which are tomatoes, mushrooms and potatoes. So on the griller pan we're going to add in our mushrooms and our tomato. So we're just going to sprinkle a little oil to let them grill. And we're just going to keep that on a low to medium flame. So now we're going to take a heated pan and add in our butter. While our butter is melting, we're going to make a mixture of our eggs. So we're going to take an egg beater and beat our eggs. You can use a fork as well, they both will work. If you like this recipe, then please don't forget to subscribe. Once your eggs are beaten, you can add in some salt, pepper, and mixed herbs. And we're going to mix it well. You can either add double cream or milk. We're adding in 20 ml. This is to give us that smooth, creamy texture. So our butter is still melting, and we're going to beat it until it melts. This is going to give you the fluffy texture in our scrambled egg. So now our butter is melted, we're going to add in our eggs. We're going to cook it on a medium flame. Make sure you keep mixing it, as you don't want it to get a bit lumpy or burn. So we're on a low to medium flame and we're going to continuously stir it. So our mushrooms and tomatoes are still on the griller. You might want to just move them around a little bit to make sure they don't burn. So we're still continuously stirring our scrambled egg mixture. This recipe really needs a bit of patience, but in the end you'll get a lovely scrambled egg. As you can see, our scrambled egg is nearly done. So we're going to keep stirring and breaking it. At this point you can turn off the heat, but still keep mixing as the pan is still heated. If you want, you can take it off the stove, but keep stirring it, keep mixing it, and then it's time for plating. If you like this recipe, then please don't forget to drop a like, leave a comment, share with friends and family, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more amazing videos. Bye for now. Thanks for watching. Happy cooking!